Please welcome to the ice our next competitor representing New Zealand. Here is Danielle Gebser.
First Junior Grand Prix season for Danielle, born in Auckland, coached by Bess Sayo and Gordon Rushton. Choreography by Catherine Hill. 16, and she's 24th after the short program, skating the free program to the soundtrack, Chicago.
Once again, ladies and gentlemen, from New Zealand, Danielle Gebser.
Well, I really like the energy this young lady puts into her programs. A little tired coming off the ice. A couple more run-throughs will help with that. But she's energetic, connects with the music. Here's a look, double Lutz. Nice double loop, going for the double loop, pops the second one. Good height on the double Lutzes, straight up in the air, arms over the head, into double toe loop. She has good spring, good knees, push her down straight up into the air. And again, rotation positions will be important as she enters the world of triples. She certainly has the explosiveness to get off the ice quickly. And then she's going to need to convert that into very tight, very, very tight rotational position. And you have to squeeze everything into your core, into the soul, right into the center.
Happy Father's Day, Dad.
Happy Father's Day, Dad. Wait a minute, wasn't that in June? Or I guess it's different in New Zealand.
The free skate score for
Free program scores for Danielle. 62.66, that's third in the free program. The total competition score of 97.90, also third overall so far in the competition.